Hey guys, how are you doing? So today in this video, I'll be showing you guys a new method to get this insane modded version, guys, of your favorite game, this being car parking multiplayer. So let's open it up, and as you can see, we're broke, but press this button to activate the mod menu to add unlimited coins and money, guys. So I just did it, so let's see if the coins and money start rising, and then I'm going to show you how to download this car parking multiplayer modded version for your device. So let's get into the guide and see what happens. So as you can see, guys, it's bad. So hopefully it starts rising, and then I'll show you guys how to do this. So let's see. So as you can see, there we go. The money is going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this into your phone, guys. So if you're broke, you know you need to get down with this method. So the first thing we're going to do, bro, go to the phone. All right. So type in this website right here. It's called tweakmod.com. So in the search bar, guys, just put in car parking multiplayer, and as you can see, there it is. So press install. So before the mod downloads, it's going to be a verification. Okay, so you need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, and then the modded version will be installed. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, so it shouldn't take long. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up just so you guys can see. So let's just give it a second to load. All right, so here we go. So basically it's just gonna say like missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps from the list. So as you can see, we got the list right here. So we got like Travel Town, Scanner. So just do a couple of them. This one's like reach level 9. So just press continue, play it till you're like level 10 or whatever, and then you're gonna be all set. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, totally works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you later, and yeah, peace out, guys. This is so awesome, bro.